The Jewellery Quarter is rapidly emerging as the place to live in Birmingham city centre. It's blessed with an abundance of classic Georgian architecture, a host of independent bars and restaurants, and is only 10 minutes walk to Birmingham's central business district. This is where you'll find the Copperworks, the stylish redevelopment of a classic Grade 2 listed industrial building. The limited number of available townhouses and duplex apartments are huge, modern, and finished to an immaculate standard. These properties are perfect for residential buyers looking for an upmarket city centre lifestyle, but equally for investors who want a combination of strong growth prospects and a steady yield, either from traditional rentals or the more lucrative short-term letting market. Some units are ready for occupancy right now, with the remainder on track for completion later this year. If you'd like to jump the queue to buy at the best building in the Jewellery Quarter, get in touch today.